Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Winda Wisyanti. I am from class 12 MIPA 5. I am here to explain the conditional sentence material. What do you mean conditional sentence or if clause? Conditional sentence is a compound sentence that contains conditions regarding a supposition, imagination, or an event that has not yet occurred. In English tenses, this conditional sentence begins with if as a sign that the condition has not yet occurred. The form of the conditional sentence is if clause plus main clause. If you notice, if clause is part of the conditional sentence, while the main clause usually contains the consequences of the previous conditional condition. Conditional sentences have four types, namely zero conditional sentence, first conditional sentence, second conditional sentence, and third conditional sentence. We will discuss them one by one. Alright, let's start from zero conditional sentence or conditional sentence type 0. This type of sentences is used when the result and consequence of a conditional is realized. Explaining a general truth and significant fact. This sentence is usually in the form of present tense with the formula if plus simple present, simple present. Example sentences like the following: if we burn paper, it becomes ice. Jadi, jika kita membakar kertas, itu menjadi abu. Nah, ini merupakan kalimat fakta, bukan pengandai-andaian. Faktanya, kalau kita membakar kertas, berarti itu akan menjadi abu, bukan kalimat pengandai-andaian. Contoh lagi, when people smoke cigarettes, their health suffers. Ketika orang merokok, kesehatan mereka terganggu. Nah, itu merupakan kalimat fakta, bukan pengandaian. Karena jika faktanya kalau merokok akan mengganggu kesehatan, berarti itu fakta, bukan pengandaian. Next, first conditional sentence or conditional sentence type 1. The first conditional sentence is from a conditional sentence that is used when the outcome or consequence has the possibility to occur in the future. This can happen because there are still realistic conditions that make sense for the possibility to occur. Therefore, the sentence form of the phrase type of conditional sentence has the form of a simple future sentence, aka a sentence that will come. The formula for this sentence is if plus simple present, simple future, will or imperative, and example are: if I meet him, I will introduce myself. Jika saya bertemu dengannya, saya akan memperkenalkan diri. Nah, ini suatu kemungkinan di masa depan maupun di masa sekarang. Contoh lagi yaitu, if you rest, you will feel better. Jika Anda beristirahat, Anda akan merasa lebih baik. Ini juga suatu kemungkinan jika Anda beristirahat, kemungkinannya akan merasa lebih baik. Next, second conditional sentence or conditional sentence type 2. Second conditional sentence are a type of conditional sentence that is used when the outcome or consequence only has the hope of being realized even though the probability is very small. So it can be said that the second type of conditional sentence is not necessarily the case but can also be true. It this sentence from the formula used is if plus simple past or where, what or could or make plus verb infinitive. The use of what or could or make serve to explain how big a conditional will be. For example, if I were you, I would continue my study. Jika saya jadi Anda, saya akan melanjutkan studi saya. Tapi kenyataannya saya jadi diri sendiri. Contoh lagi, if I had time, I would go with you. Jika saya punya waktu, saya akan pergi dengan Anda. Tapi kenyataannya saya tidak punya waktu, jadi tidak bisa pergi dengan Anda. Finally, the conditional sentence or conditional sentence type 3. The third conditional sentence is a conditional sentence when a conditional is not possible at all. This can be described as a very impossible condition or just a dream on imagination. In this, the type of conditional sentence, the form of the sentence uses the past perfect with its equivalent with an auxiliary model should, would, could, and should. The formula used is if plus past perfect, would, or should, or could, or make, plus have, plus past participle. Example of sentence: if you had remembered to invite me, I would have attended your party. Jika Anda ingat untuk mengundang saya akan menghadiri pesta Anda. Jadi, kenyataannya adalah dulu dia tidak mengundang saya, jadinya saya tidak menghadiri pesta itu. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.